Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this exponential equation, that is 9 power x minus 6 power x equal 4 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 9 power x minus 6 power x equal 4 power x. If I'll divide both sides by 4 power x, so it becomes 9 power x by 4 power x minus 6 power x by 4 power x equal 1. As per exponent rule, x power m by y power m, we can write it as x by y whole power m. So we can write 9 by 4 whole power x minus 6 by 4 whole power x equal 1. Now 9 I can write it as 3 square and 4 as 2 square whole power x. Similarly, if we cancel out, divide 6 and 4 with 2, we get 3 by 2 whole power x equal 1. So this we can write it as 3 by 2 whole square whole power x minus 3 by 2 power x equal 1. So as per exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power n power m. So let's apply this. So it becomes 3 by 2 whole power x whole square minus 3 by 2 power x equal 1. So I'm going to take a substitution. Let 3 by 2 whole power x equal p. So the equation becomes p square minus p equal 1, which I can write it as p square minus p minus 1 equals 0. Now it looks like a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. If we compare, the value of a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is minus 1. So what is the quadratic formula in terms of p? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So p equal minus minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 by 2 times 1. So p is equals to 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 4 by 2. So p is equals to 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So P1 is 1 plus root 5 by 2 and P2 is 1 minus root 5 by 2. So let's remember the value of P. We take a substitution, that is 3 by 2 whole power x. So let's put it. So first P1, 1 plus root 5 by 2. So it is equals to 3 by 2 whole power x equal 1 plus root 5 by 2. And similarly, P2, 1 minus root 5 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole power x equal 1 minus root 5 by 2. Root 5 is greater than 1. So this gives us negative result and this gives us positive result. So we will reject this case. So let's solve this one. 3 by 2 whole power x equal 1 plus root 5 by 2. So if I'll take log on both sides, so log 3 by 2 whole power x equal log 1 plus root 5 by 2. So it becomes x times log 3 by 2 equal log 1 plus root 5 by 2. So x equal, we can write it as log 1 plus root 5 by 2 by log 3 by 2. Now we have to find out our final answer, which is x is equals to log with base 3 by 2, 1 plus root 5 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.